subscribe to my channel. Hi guys, how much time? Today is the day I get induced. I'm officially 39 weeks pregnant and 2 days, and I'm quite a mess. So let me do some magic here and get all ready and glam for this baby and for you guys. So I have to be at the hospital by 12. It's officially like almost 10. I fixed myself breakfast, but I haven't ate it yet, and I'm just going crazy this morning because I cannot find my remote. So when I shoot, it'll be easier in the hospital so I could turn it off and on without touching the camera. So I'm gonna have to rush to Walmart. So what a day. But I'm gonna take you guys with me, so hope you enjoyed this induced pregnancy vlog. First of all, I'm going to try to really wash my hair. I decided I'm going to wear it down curly. And for all you guys that watch my hair tutorial videos, I'm going to use this black, well, Jamaican black castor oil conditioner. Sulfur free for thin to dry hair. It's good for your pH balance for your hair, and it's going to restore your curls. So definitely going to use this. And it smells good too. And then the shampoo, I'm just going to use the same Shaving Moisturizer Strengthen Restore shampoo. All organic. With a little bit of kinky curly, because, you know. I'm going to take a shower, you guys. And this is a pink dress that I'm going to wear. I got a little bit of makeup. I might put some lashes on that I got from Marshall's. So let's get started because I need it. Alright, I feel really good, you guys. I got out the shower, have no contractions. The baby's still low. I feel like the baby dropped a little bit. It is softer on top of my belly, and I am having a boy. I'm really nervous because it's gonna happen, and I just gotta be ready for it. It's like you have no other option to get over. I always stare at his little pictures. So the day has come and my time is running out, so I really have to hurry. I might have to finish doing the rest of the makeup in the hospital, but I definitely got to put the gel in my hair because I'm not bringing a bunch of hair products to the hospital. So my favorite gel is John B. Mole. Let's see. It's blue. I think I'm gonna do it to the side. I usually really take time doing my hair. I don't just usually just clunk it on like this, as you guys see my other hair tutorial video, but because getting induced and I gotta go to the hospital really soon, and it still is a 40-minute drive, and then you gotta go through a security check. I don't want to be too late because I don't want them to be like, oh, okay, she's not coming, let's just give the room to somebody else. Like, I feel like if I'm 15 minutes late, should be no problem, but I'm not trying to be like an hour. So I'll just let it naturally dry. I'm not gonna get no blow dryer or nothing. Downstairs I have my oatmeal already. Well, matama I'm actually eating. I have that already. So I think I do want a part. I don't think the swoop, just a regular swoop looks good. So let's do a little part action. So this is my favorite Chanel under eye coverage. I just put it as needed and put my gloss on. I just really can't believe this is the last day that I'm going to have only one kid, and hopefully tomorrow I'll be having 2 kids. So I always clean my brushes because it really prevents breakouts, and I just blend the makeup using my brush. And I always apply just a little bit of makeup because I have a lot of freckles, so I still like to see it and make it look as natural as possible. So I brought my own cotton candies 2X. They're very big. They're too big on me, but they're very comfortable. And cotton candies is really healthy for your hygienes, you guys. It prevents yeast infection stuff. Your stuff down there can breathe more properly. Yeah. So I bought those specifically for the hospital, but I do like the hospital breathing panties too. So I decided to wear this pink dress. You guys will... Can't cover the bra totally, so it's a little... Stuff I just gotta add in my bag in the car. My Hello Kitty blanket, and I'll put it in my other bag. Book and cell phone holder, charger for the camera, toothbrush, brush, extra pair of panties. A nail filer to file for the baby, extension cord, got a lot of stuff to plug up. Alrighty, and I'm not going to bring my tennis shoes. This goes for the stand. Extra battery pack, iPad, and iPad charger. Boom, boom, boom. It goes on the lens. Relax my face a little bit. And with this roller. Today is the day, you guys. Vitamin. I don't know which one to put on this time, but to Maybe I'll mix them too so then people don't know. But to put it under that armpit. While out of bracelets, let them go. And my necklace, no jewelry this time, just a little bit of earrings. So I don't have to worry of where my jewelry's at. You guys, getting induced in like an hour and a half. Gotta cram, gotta go to Walmart, get this little USB thing for my camera, and then head to the hospital. So, bye.
Bye. Good luck.